If you want to make $10,000 a month, or 15 or 20 or $50,000 a month, do not build a fucking business. There's way too many gurus on here that are trying to sell you some $100 course with bullshit information, teaching you how to build some bullshit course that they have no experience in. And I'm going to be telling you not to build a business because I have multiple. I've been building businesses for the last 2 years. I've made over $1 million, and it is not something that I recommend to most people. Let's get into it. What we are going to cover in this video: why you shouldn't build a business, proof that I know what I'm talking about, what I did to make $23,000 in a single month, and how you can do the same, not in that order. But this is what we're going to be going through. This is going to be the most valuable fucking video that you've seen all day. So make sure you strap in, grab some popcorn, take some notes, and let's start making some money, all right? It's important to know I'm just not another random guy on YouTube that has no experience. In the last 2 years, I've made over $2 million. I've worked with over 1,000 people, and I've been able to build 3 businesses. Think I'm bullshitting you? Let's take a look. And yes, okay, I know you will want the proof. So here is a screenshot, 1,244 people, okay? And if you're probably wondering, oh, you could have just changed the numbers. You can change that number, you can. So you can see here 300. That is showing 300 at the top of the graph because that's how many people I enrolled in a single month. You can't change that number. You can kind of see how the color is different to this one. All right. Here are my 3 businesses: Ascend Acquisition, TrueCoin Online, and the True Master Resale Routes Game Plan. And you're probably wanting more proof. How do I know these businesses are good? How do I know they're making money? Well, I enrolled over 1,000 people, and here is, again, here's this one, TrueCoin Online, TrueCoin Online. It literally has over, like, it's got thousands of videos made about that specific business that I made, and it's got over 1.1 million views. So my hashtag for my business on TikTok has over 1 million views. So I wanted to give you some proof that's actually out there, so then you can go and take a look and see the amount of money that I've made people. All right. So you can literally see here, like, I'm not going to zoom in because it'll fuck up my screen, but you can kind of see here, made 367, made a commission. Okay, listen to the podcasts. Are there any more here? Nah, the other ones are down below, but you can already see I've made people money and I've just showed you a screenshot. All right. And you're probably thinking, okay, this guy has helped himself, but can he help a lot of other people? Yes, I can. Wrapping up $19,000 for the month, $45,000 for the month, and $234,000 in, I think it was like 3 months or something, which is crazy. So here are 3 of my screenshots out of hundreds, just to show you I'm not just another fucking guru that's here to promise you the world. So why should I not build a business if you have? You're probably wondering that. Easy. You don't want to. You might think you do, but you probably don't. For me to make $2 million, it took me about 5 to about closer to 6 years of constant and consistent work without seeing any results. I'm only seeing the rewards now. In the last 1.5 to 2 years, I'm only starting to see the rewards that I've had from those years of experience. I could easily make a course on how to build a business because I'm only 21 and I've been able to do all this crazy stuff. I could make a course on that and make millions on this alone, but I'm not going to teach something that I don't think people will actually want to do. I don't want to be a guru. I want to be a leader for the people that want more. And before all this, I was a normal 18-year-old Australian guy living in the suburbs, struggling, and I had nowhere to go. So, yeah. The truth is, building a business is just hype. Everyone on the internet is preaching it, and building a personal brand, that's also the hype. So you probably think this is what I need to do to make money. But it's not. It's just what they want you to think. You don't need a personal brand. You don't need 100,000 followers. You don't need to be making millions of videos on social media. And you don't need to build a business to make money. So I spent around $30,000 to keep my business alive. Something people won't tell you. So people are going to tell you that I've made $100,000, $200,000, $1 million, but what they won't tell you is they're probably spending $30 to $50 to $60,000 a month to keep their business alive. It's the reality, okay? You know, these things here, shopping, I spent about $15,000, $14,000 on a coaching program. Travel, I traveled to a different part of the world for my business, and a few of these other things for business as well. If you want time, freedom, and something that isn't going to take you years of work, business is not it. Okay, it's not the move. What do I do then? Let me tell you. I made $23,000 without a business, without a brand, without experience, and without years of work. I did it from a shitty iPhone 6. Okay, I don't have it over here, but it's over there. I have an iPhone 6 Plus. It's a red iPhone. You know what an iPhone looks like. And I could do it anywhere from around the world. All I needed was an iPhone 6. That is seriously it. Okay. I've got multiple screenshots of the $23,000, by the way. It doesn't look like I put it up here. But if you want to see the $23,000 screenshot, it will be on the video before this one. You can go check it out there. Okay. Sorry I didn't put it here. I completely forgot. It's appointment setting. What is appointment setting? All it is going into someone else's social media and going into their messages and booking appointments for them. So just getting them booked in for a call, and if that person you booked in buys the stuff that you are setting up the appointments for, you will make a commission, which is anywhere from 5 to 10%, which means you can make $500 to $1,000 every single time. So this is what made me $23,000. This is what I have been talking about. You don't need a business, you don't need a brand, you don't need a social media, you need absolutely nothing, seriously. And all you're going to be doing is going into other people's DMs. So other people's Instagram pages where they've done the hard work to build their personal brand. And you're just going to be sending messages to people that they have in their social media, getting them on the phone, but you're not taking sales calls. The business owner, so the person that owns the social media, will be taking the sales calls. And every time they close a sale, you will make 5 to 10% of that. Okay? I do have the screenshot. I have been an appointment setter myself. Here's the $23,000 screenshot. But I've also been a business owner, a coach. Okay? I have been a coach and I have sold $10,000 offers. So I have sold my coaching program to people for $10,000. And I have hired appointment setters for my coaching business, which means they were earning $1,000 every time they booked in an appointment for me and I closed them. And I've told you this because there's a lot of people either telling you to do appointment setting or telling you to do this, but either they have no experience in appointment setting or they have no experience in being the actual coach that hires the appointment setter. Which means that a lot of the people that are selling you courses on how to learn appointment setting, they wouldn't know because they themselves haven't hired an appointment setter. So how can they tell you how you're going to get a job as an appointment setter if they haven't hired one themselves? And I'm showing you this as proof that I have been an appointment setter and I've also been a coach. So I have been a coach that has hired an appointment setter. So I've done both. So I know how to get a job as an appointment setter and I know what someone looks for in an appointment setter as well, okay? A business owner, for example, an online coach selling high ticket, so $5,000 to $10,000, do not want to be in their social media DMs all day. They hate it. And I know that because, again, I have been a coach before, okay? Well, I still am a coach. They need to focus on actually running their business. This is what I mean. You do not want to be in business because business is hard. They have to do marketing. They have to post content. They have to get client results. They have to do logistics. They have to do everything. So they do not have time to be in their own messages. But then again, the only way that the coach is going to get sales is if they're constantly getting book calls on their calendar. So they can't really win unless they hire an appointment setter to book those people in for the call for them. Okay. So being said, they do not have the time to be in their DMs. So what do? They delegate. They will hire people to go into their social media and just have conversations with people that are on their page. Okay? They will hire someone for a good amount of money. This is what it looks like. You log into the owner's Instagram account. Pretty simple. You will then message people in their DMs. Remember, your only objective is to get them on the phone. So all you're doing in the DMs is having a conversation and qualifying them to make sure that they can buy the stuff that the owner sells. You have a normal conversation with these people, a normal human conversation. And when you think they would be a good fit for the offer that the person is selling, so again, the owner, so the coach. So let's say a coach that has a fitness program and you are appointment setting for that coach. That means that you will be appointment setting for a fitness offer. Okay. So you'll be having a conversation with people, qualifying them to see if they would suit the fitness offer. And when you think they would fit that offer and you've done your qualifying and you've just done your messages, okay, you would say, hey, I would love to talk more on the phone. And you would get them booked in. And the owner or a sales closer will get on the phone and sell them. And if they buy the program that the coach is selling, you will make a commission. That is it. I cannot explain this in any more simple words. This is all you need to do. And again, you might be thinking, this seems too good to be true. It seems too easy. But it's not. It's super easy. But you need to realize that the coach does not have time, or the business owner does not have time to be in their own messages every single day. So they hire other people to do it for them, which is you. Okay? To you, this seems super easy. For the business owner, it's hard because they don't have time. Plus, here's something else you gain, which can be worth millions of dollars. When you become an appointment setter for a coach, selling a high ticket offer, they will bring you into their community and program for free so you can learn about what they do, so it's easier for you to talk about it in the messages. Which means you will be joining a community of elite people in their niches. This alone is crazy value because you know what they say, your network is your net worth. To put this into context, I bought a coach's program last year for $15,000 and he had an appointment setter. That appointment setter got into the community for free. He got the program for free. And there were hundreds of other people like me that were making millions of dollars. And that appointment setter was able to talk and communicate and network with all of us business owners for free. And now he actually owns his own business because he did that years of hard work and he was making about, I think it was $15,000 every single month in appointment setting. And because he built those networks and those connections in the community, he was able to take it and run with it and make a lot of money. Okay. So if you want to learn more about what we talked about here, so you can make that $23,000 like I did, and if you want to be another client result like these people, flick me a message in the Instagram, in the description of the video. Message me saying, hey, Nathaniel, I saw your video. I want to learn more, or I love what you do, or just whatever, or just follow me, or whatever. It doesn't bother me. But I want more for you. Because if you're watching this video, you fucking want more. You want more. Stop bullshitting yourself. Stop doing things that aren't working. If you've been trying drop shipping or some other bullshit thing and it's not been working, you need to realize that doing more of something that hasn't been working is not going to make it work. This works. This is consistent and this is predictable because all you're doing is jumping in an existing business's DMs. The business owner is spending thousands of dollars a day on ads. They're keeping the business alive. You're just sending DMs. So, being said, I hope you did enjoy it and I really do hope you learned something, seriously. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. See you then.